Topic is virus symptoms. What are the symptoms? From what symptoms you can understand that your systems get affected by the viruses. First symptom is computer starts doing things on its own, like moving the cursor all by itself. So it will start doing things it's by own without your concern or without your control. It will start doing things as that your cursor will move around without stopping. It will move around. You are not moving the mouse, but it is automatically doing randomly opening and closing the windows. It will open the windows and close the windows by themselves. So you can, this is a first symptom that you can indicate that your system is affected by the viruses. Second one is a computer may shut down and restart frequently. When you are working in your system, it suddenly gets shut down and again it restarted. Then you can understand it is a symptom of a virus. Malfunctioning may be noticed in several applications. That is, something is you have done, but it may varies. Malfunctioning means changing without your concern. So changing the data, destroying the data, etc. Malfunctioning may be noticed in several applications. It is many differences in that, whatever you have done. Certain drives on the computer become inaccessible. Many drives, it will not be accessible also. We cannot open the drive or folders. Unexpected error messages pop-ups. Pop-up means it will come, shows the error message, displays error messages. Menus and dialogues may appear distorted. It will get the images distorted means there will be into. Have you ever seen that if the images, so when you receive a mail or anything, if the image is not proper or clear, it will be showing a into sign, showing that the image is distorted. Same way, your menus and dialog box may be appear distorted. Speed of computer drops. So computer speed will be slow. So these are the symptoms of a virus. So from these symptoms you can identify that your system is get affected by the viruses. Next is how this viruses spread. How these viruses come? Virus programs are self-replicating programs. What is mean by self-replicating? It spread itself. It will create duplicates and spread itself. Virus programs are self-replicating programs which propagate by infecting more and more computer files, thus resulting in the loss of speed and destruction of data. Computer virus usually spread in one of the three ways. So underline this, virus programs are self-replicating programs. They will create the duplicate by itself and then propagate, spread, and then propagate or travel by infecting more and more computer files. So once it will affected in a one thing, it will be create duplicates and it will spread around by affecting all your files in the computer, thus resulting in the speed loss. It will lose the speed. How the speed will be lost? Because it is creating many duplicates, many duplicates. So your memory will get full. So your processor speed will come drops, and destruction of data. It also destroys the data. So in these three ways it will get affected. First one is through a removable storage devices. That is like your pen drive. Suppose you are putting a pen drive into a system. Already this pen drive is used in a system where the virus is infected. So you are taking a movie or a song from that system and putting it into your copy it into your system. Your system also get affected by the virus. We will see. Sharing and transferring files via flash drive. Flash drive is your pen drive. Is a very common practice today. So we are shares informations, we share movies, we share many things through a pen drive. So it is our main practices today. If this drive contains malicious files, so if your pen drive contains any files which is harmful to your system, it will infect the computer which it is attached. So if your pen drive has viruses, when you attach this pen drive into your system, the system will also get affected. Likewise, if a pen drive is inserted in an infected computer, it will also be infected with the viruses. Same way, I said that if the infected pen drive is attached to a computer, then the computer will get affected. And if a pen drive is attached to an infected computer, then the pen drive will get infected. So this can be happen. This infected drive then becomes the vector and is capable of spreading the viruses onto the other computers. So when the pen drive get infected, it become through this pen drive it can affect many other systems, as like if you attach this pen drive into many other systems, it can spread the viruses. If the operating systems on those machines have an enabled auto run feature. Auto run feature means the auto run function launches installers and programs automatically when a flash drive or CD is inserted. That is, auto run means in your operating system there is a feature when you it will be enabled, because you may be enabled it, because what happens means when this feature is enabled, when you attach a CD, when you insert a CD or attach a pen drive, without you don't need to open the pen drive or CD. It will automatically open and it will play whatever inside in it. This is auto run feature. That is, there is a feature in your operating system. If you enable this feature, when you insert a CD or a pen drive, you don't need to do anything. It will automatically open the content in that and it will start to run. If it is a video, it will start to run without without a manually. It will start automatically. That is auto run feature. So if your auto run feature is enabled by your operating system, then when you attach a pen drive, it will automatically spread into your computer system. A virus can also embedded in a normal life on a flash drive, even if the auto run feature is disabled. So what is mean by that means, if you disable your auto run feature, it will be on your normal life file on a flash drive. So it will be like a normal file. It will not affect your system. The computer will become infected when the file is opened. So the computer will be infected only when the file is opened. So if you disable this auto run feature and if you not opened the file, then your computer will not get affected.